Woodworking is a rewarding hobby that allows individuals to create functional and beautiful items for their homes. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For beginners, starting with quick and easy mini woodworking projects can build confidence and skills without overwhelming them. These small projects require minimal materials and tools, making them accessible for those just starting in the craft. Each project provides a sense of accomplishment and the opportunity to learn fundamental techniques that can be applied to larger endeavors in the future. One of the simplest projects for beginners is creating a wooden key holder. This project requires a small piece of wood, some hooks, and basic finishing supplies. Start by cutting a piece of wood to your desired size. A rectangular shape about 6 inches wide and 12 inches tall works well. Sand the edges and surface until smooth to avoid splinters. Next, decide how many hooks you want to install. Typically, 3 or 4 are sufficient for holding keys. Mark the spots on the wood where the hooks will go, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Drill small pilot holes for the hooks, then screw them in place. Finally, finish the wood with paint, stain, or a clear coat to protect it and enhance its appearance. This simple project not only helps organize your keys but also adds a personal touch to your entryway. Another beginner-friendly project is a wooden phone stand. With the prevalence of smartphones, having a dedicated stand can be incredibly useful. To create one, start with a scrap piece of wood that is about 1 inch thick. Cut a rectangular piece approximately 4 inches wide and 6 inches tall. Then, cut a slot in the middle of the piece that is about 1 inch wide and 3 inches deep. This is where the phone will rest. Sand all edges and surfaces smoothly. You can personalize the stand by painting or staining it, and even adding decorative elements like carvings or decals. This project is not only functional but also helps you practice your cutting and sanding skills. A simple wooden planter box is another excellent project for beginners. Planter boxes are versatile and can be used indoors or outdoors to hold plants or herbs. To make a basic planter box, cut 4 pieces of wood, 2 for the long sides and 2 for the short sides. A good size for a small planter box might be 12 inches long by 6 inches wide by 6 inches tall. Assemble the box by nailing or screwing the pieces together at the corners. Make sure to drill drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water from accumulating. Once assembled, sand the edges and surface before applying a weather-resistant finish if you plan to place it outdoors. This project not only enhances your woodworking skills but also allows you to enjoy gardening. A wooden picture frame is another quick and easy project that can be customized to fit any decor style. To create a frame, cut 4 pieces of wood, 2 for the vertical sides and 2 for the horizontal sides, making sure they fit the size of your picture. A common size for a small frame might be 5 by 7 inches. Join the pieces together at right angles, using wood glue or corner brackets to secure them. Once assembled, sand down any rough edges and apply paint or stain to match your home's aesthetic. You can also add embellishments like decorative molding or stencils for a more personalized touch. This project allows you to practice measuring and cutting while creating something that showcases your favorite memories. For those looking for something even simpler, consider making coasters out of wood slices. This project requires minimal tools and can be completed quickly. Start by purchasing pre-cut wood slices from a craft store or using a branch from your yard that has been cut into thin discs about ½ an inch thick. Sand each slice until smooth, ensuring there are no rough edges that could scratch surfaces. To personalize them, you can paint designs on them, use woodburning techniques to create patterns, or simply leave them natural with a clear coat finish. Coasters are practical items that everyone can use, making this an excellent beginner project. A birdhouse is a classic woodworking project that is both fun to make and beneficial for local wildlife. Begin by cutting 6 pieces of wood, 2 for the sides, 1 for the back, 1 for the front, with an entrance hole, 1 for the bottom, and 1 for the roof. A simple design could have a square base with slanted roofs. Assemble the pieces using screws or nails, ensuring everything fits snugly together. Drill an entrance hole in the front piece, about 1.5 inches in diameter, at least 6 inches above the base to keep predators out. Sand down sharp edges and finish with non-toxic paint or stain suitable for outdoor use. Hanging your birdhouse in your garden will attract birds while providing you with a sense of achievement. Lastly, consider making simple wooden bookmarks as an easy introduction to woodworking with minimal investment in materials and time. Start with thin strips of wood approximately 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Sand all edges until smooth to ensure they are safe for handling during reading sessions. You can personalize bookmarks by engraving names or designs using woodburning tools or painting them with vibrant colors or patterns. These bookmarks make thoughtful gifts or personal keepsakes that showcase your craftsmanship. Engaging in these quick and easy mini woodworking projects provides beginners with valuable experience while fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. Each completed project serves as a building block towards more complex endeavors in woodworking, helping novices gain confidence in their abilities as they explore this fulfilling craft further. Whether creating functional items like key holders and picture frames or artistic pieces like wall art and bookmarks, each undertaking reinforces essential techniques like measuring, cutting, sanding, assembling, and finishing, skills fundamental to any successful woodworking endeavor. As you embark on these projects, remember that patience is key. Mistakes may happen along the way, but they offer opportunities for learning and improvement rather than discouragement. Take time to enjoy each step of the process, from selecting materials to applying finishes, and celebrate your accomplishments as you build your skills and expand your woodworking repertoire over time. In conclusion, mini woodworking projects are not only enjoyable but also serve as excellent gateways into the world of woodworking for beginners eager to learn new skills while creating something meaningful with their hands. With just a few tools and some imagination, anyone can embark on this fulfilling journey filled with creativity, craftsmanship, and endless possibilities. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.